Let's see some people jump in here before we get chatting. I think we're live on Facebook too. All right. Where is everybody? What's up, Caden? How you been?
Hi.
Hi. Uh-oh, my dog just opened the door.
I've been taking more walks because when it's sunny, I take a walk usually with my mom.
That's cool. Hey, Philip, turn your device off and then join again so you can get your camera working. There you go. What's up, Max? Let's see. Philip's in twice now. Hey, it's Sensei CJ.
What's up, guys?
Live from Lima.
Lima, that's right.
Let's get some more people in here before we start chatting today. Uh-oh, we're getting feedback from Sensei CJ's mic. Up, here comes some more. Georgie, hey.
Hey,
How
Sensei.
are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Philip, you get this thing working yet? Let's go. Anybody do the training from yesterday yet? Anybody do yesterday's classes yet? No. We have some special stuff in there for black belts too. Make sure you guys do. Okay. So just tell you guys a couple things that are going on. It's pretty cool. We reached out to the schools. I think most of you guys know that we do. We quite often visit schools and do anti-bullying and stranger danger outreach programs where we teach entire school assemblies and stuff like that. Well, we reached out to 35 schools yesterday alone and offered to do the same type of assembly for all their students via Zoom. So if you tell your schools, you tell your teachers, we're doing that now. And just today, we booked 2 programs for next week already. So pretty cool. We're going to be doing one with Washington Elementary School and one with Hanover Elementary School. We also have Lincoln is interested in something as well. So pretty cool. We're excited to do that stuff. We're also excited for the students that just graduated to their new color belts in the last couple weeks online. We are going to have a in-person drive-by graduation on Friday afternoon. So the students that are supposed to have their new belts are going to be able to drive by Lima on Friday. Sensei CJ and I will be outside with the mask on, and we'll have the belts and we'll throw them at people's cars as they drive by. Actually, no, we'll stick them in there. We'll hand it to them. We're going to whip it like a boomerang, right? We're going to throw it at them. If they don't catch it, they don't get to keep it. So just kidding. We've got to get a printer working, Sensei CJ, so that we can print diplomas for everybody. I can't read lips. Can anybody else read his lips?
It's in the server room. I'll get it up and running tomorrow.
Awesome. Good. We'll have to get that going. But anyway, we're excited about that. Now, it seems like ever since I changed the time to 12 instead of 11:30 on these Zooms, there's been less people. Anybody, or since I changed the days, anybody think it was better the other way?
I'm pretty much on every Zoom.
I know you are, Caden. Caden's here every day. Caden's on every Zoom and every live chat. It's awesome. He doesn't miss anything.
12 o'clock is better for me because I get off at like 11:30 from my schoolwork.
Okay. What about you, Georgie?
12's better for
Yeah,
me
12
school.
is fine.
12 seems good.
Yeah.
Still like to do an evening Zoom. Kind of curious to see if we get a bunch of people to join us in the evening for a Zoom chat. You know, but I don't want to
Time in the
interrupt
evening
people's
are you
dinners
looking
and
at?
stuff like that. No. We're also playing with the idea of potentially having 1 or 2 live classes a week. That wouldn't be a regular thing, but a special live class coming from the school 1 or 2 evenings a week. Who would be interested in doing something like that, a group class? Maybe. Now, a lot of people have told me they like the flexibility of the pre-recorded classes because they get to do it when they feel like doing it. So what do you guys think about that? Do you like the pre-recorded classes, or would you like live classes at structured times all the time, or what works better for you guys?
Live.
Who said live?
Me.
Katie wants a live class.
Five.
Who else sent by Alyssa wants a live class? All right, so
Yeah.
the team and I will talk maybe about putting together a live class 1 or 2 days a week to go in addition to our pre-recorded classes. I got to figure out a good setup for it so that we can actually see what you guys are doing. So looking at my little iPad while we do it isn't going to get it done. I got to figure out something else, like maybe a huge TV or something like that on the mat. We'll figure it out. What else is going on? We're working on those. We're doing school programs. Hey, if you guys are part of like a team, you go to a dance studio, you do anything like that, and all your programs have been canceled for the spring and everything. If you want to organize a group Zoom martial art class for your teammates or groups, we'll do that for you guys. We won't charge your group. It'll just be for fun. So if that's something you guys think you'd want to do, let us know. Look at this. Everybody's popping in now. 10 after 12. Right. Up there's Caden. Been wondering where that guy's been. There's Guy popping on, and Dylan. So these are just some things. Hey, guys, this whole virtual world of learning martial arts is new to all of us. So we're still working out all the kinks and the details and trying to figure it out as we go. And we constantly want to keep adding value to the program and make it fun and challenging and interesting for you guys at the same time. The tough part about doing continued online classes all the time is we are not allowed to be like Sensei CJ and I can't be in the school at the same time, or Sensei or Joshi Scott and I can't be in the school at the same time. So, you know, the only staff I have at the school when I'm teaching is Joshi Lucas and Senpai Bailey. So it kind of makes it challenging to do continuous online classes all the time, but it's something we can certainly chat about doing special classes, maybe an adult class, maybe a kid class, maybe a joint class, something like that, just to make it fun and have a fun workout. Okay, so we'll brainstorm that, Sensei CJ. We'll brainstorm that a little bit more. So guys, I got 2 trivia questions for you guys today. Okay, but I want the kids to answer first. The kids are going to answer first. But I want to see everybody's faces. Where's Guy? I don't see his face. Caden Lewis, top of your hair. Caden, are you there? Oh, Caden's gone. Oh, there he is. Jeez, he popped up. That was scary. All right, guys, my first question. Make sure you raise your hands, guys. Raise your hands. How many degrees of black belt are there?
Oh, yeah.
How many degrees of black belt are there? Caden.
10.
10. Caden, did you answer?
Wait, which one?
Oh, there's 2 Cadens. Okay, well, Caden Perez answered first. Okay. Hold on. Let me write. That's right. 10 degrees of black belt. Okay. So let me put that down for you.
I was raising my hand.
Can't call on everybody. All right. Here's the next question. This one's tough. How many years, and don't shout out, make sure you guys raise your hands. How many years on average should it take a student to become a 10th degree black belt? How many years? Joshi Lucas is doing math in his head. I can see it. How many years should it take a student to become a 10th degree black belt? Senpai Philip has his hand up. Go ahead, type your answer, Philip. Is Philip answering?
Yeah, he answered.
20 years. Nope, not 20 years. Not 20 years. That is not the correct answer. Now, sent by Alexis Googling it. That's not fair.
Are we going by Sensei Ken's version or the real 10th degree black belt?
What?
Well, Master Ken isn't a 10th. He's the only 11th degree black belt in the entire world.
Sorry.
Because Master Ken is he does the only real martial art in the world, right?
That's right. I forgot.
That's right. So if you guys don't know who Master Ken is,
I lost track of the stripes on his belt. Apologies.
if you guys don't know who Master Ken is, you can watch Master Ken on YouTube, but you have to watch it. Get your parents' permission first, okay? It's a satire. It's a comedy spoof of a martial arts instructor. It's called Enter the Dojo, and it's a great show, but the humor's not for little kids. Okay? Master Ken, I've met him a couple times. He's the only 11th degree black belt in the world. So, all right. Enter the dojo. Okay. Who knows how many years to become a 10th degree black belt? We'll go with the other Katie. Louis.
40 years.
What?
40 years.
40 years? No. Sent by Carissa.
45.
45? Nope.
No, 35.
Nope. Well, who remembers what degree I am? Megan? What degree am I?
4. No, 5th.
Fifth. Correct. So how many years does it take to become a 10th degree black belt? Alexa? Sent by Alexa.
30 years.
I can't hear you. I couldn't hear you.
30.
What are you doing, laying in bed? You're muted, kid. I can't hear you.
35 to
Nope,
30
not
years.
35. Georgie, you got a guess?
50 or 60 years?
Well, you can't say 50 or 60.
Okay, 60 years.
Nope, not 60.
Is that too big or too small?
I can't give away the answer.
Call me.
Lucas.
Guy, do you have a guess?
Megan knows too.
All right, we're going to see if Joshu Lucas, well, sent by Anthony, do you know?
70 years.
Nope. See if Joshu Lucas did his math correctly. Go ahead, Joshu
All right.
Lucas.
55.
Close. Nope.
No, my math is on.
No, your math is wrong. Your math is wrong.
I was off by 1.
Nope.
No? Nuh-uh.
Okay, I'm going to give you the formula now, guys.
I want to guess.
Go ahead, Sensei CJ.
I'm going to say 52.
Nope.
Oh.
Give you the formula. The average martial arts student takes 3 years to become a black belt. Then for every degree that you progress to, it's that many additional years. So to go from first to second is 2 more years. So that would mean become a second degree, it's 5 years, right? So Joshi Lucas, do your math quick.
57.
57 it is. 57 years. Hey, Joshi Lucas, you just won that bowl of ice cream that you just ate.
Great, I got another one.
No, you don't.
So it takes the average martial arts student 57 years to become a 10th degree black belt if they go by the formula of 3 years to become a first degree, Then 2 more years, become a second. 3 more years, become a third. 4 more years, become a fourth. 5 more years, become a fifth, and so forth, all the way up. Now, does it take some people longer? Yep. Does it take some people less time? Depends on the style they train in. Depends on their promotional structure. Are there people out there that are 35, 40 years old that call themselves or have been promoted to 9th or 10th degree black belt? Sure. Have I seen people skip from 4th degree all the way to 6th degree? Yup, I know some of those guys. So it all depends. But if you go by the strict formula that I was taught by my teacher, Shion Mark Glazier, the fastest progression should be 3 to 1st degree, which it can take a lot longer, 2 to 2nd, 3 to 3rd, 4th, and so forth. Okay, guys? So listen, but at Leading Edge Martial Arts, just so you guys know, I don't care about rank. I don't care about rank. I'm not a real big fan of rank. A belt is there to tell me what to teach you next. But I believe when you, right, Kaden, 57, you did it right. So I believe when you get to that point of being a black belt, and especially become a secondary black belt, said by Megan, we've had this conversation, it should be more about just learning and growing than memorizing curriculum and chasing belts. Okay? Be a martial artist first. That's the most important thing. All right, guys. So thanks for joining us today. I got to give Lucas and Bailey some time to digest the ice cream they just pounded for lunch. I don't know what they were doing there. That might be our chat today about nutrition. But so we're going to head over to the school in a minute and shoot today's classes. If you didn't train yesterday, make sure you do. It's all about self-defense and grappling this week. Self-defense and grappling, so full gis. All right, guys. Black belt, check out the black belt videos that we posted. You have to do your class before you do the black belt class, though, because the black belt class is just a bonus segment added on to your regular class. All right, guys. Thanks for being LEMA Strong, guys, and we'll see you online later. Oos.
Ooh.